Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video we discussed that playing with numbers, right? In this video we are going to discuss the worksheets from integers. Okay, let us see that what is the first question they given related to worksheet 1. Okay, see here the movement of units in the direction of left side of 0. The movement of units in the direction of left of 0. Children, we know that integers means what? The set of positive integers, negative integers, and in the same way including 0, or the positive natural numbers or the negative natural numbers including 0. That set is called integers. Yes or no? Integer set is represented by I or Z. In this set here, and so on, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Yes or no? Here, as per this one, what they are asking, the movement of units in the direction of left side of 0. Left side of 0 means, while just take that number line. This is the number line of integers, negative integers, and this is positive integers, and here this is 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Yes or no? So this is the right side of 0 and this is the left side of 0. While you are moving left side of 0 on the number line, then the number value becomes decreasing. Okay, and while you are moving from right side of while you are moving right side on the number line, right side of 0 on the number line, then the number value should be in increasing order. Yes or no? See that right side of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So right side of 0, the number value is in increasing order or not? Now come to that left side of 0, the number value should be in a decreasing order. Okay. Not only like that, if you will take that any number, for example, if you want to take that 4, the left side number, the left side of 4, what numbers are there? Those all the numbers are less than 4. Yes or no? Left side of 4, what numbers are there? Those all the numbers are less than 4. And right side of 4, all the numbers are greater than 4. Understand ma? So while you are moving or right side on the number line, then the number value is in a increasing order. And while you are moving to that left side of 0, then the number value should be in a decreasing order. Understand? Let's see that here. Okay, see here ma. Then the movement of units in the direction of left side of 0. So left side of 0, what is the direction of that numbers ma? Negative. Yes or no? Negative numbers only, no? So as per this one, what is that answer here? Option 3 is correct, that is negative. Okay, let us see that next one. Yes, two different natural numbers are such that their product is less than their sum. Less than their sum. Then one of the number must be. See here children, if any number is multiplied by 1, then here what you will get? 2 into 1 is equals to 2. 3 into 1 is equals to 3. 4 into 1 is equals to 4. Okay, why? Because see that the two different natural numbers, 1 and 2 are two different natural numbers, are such that their product is less than their sum. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, as per that one, the product is 2, no? So 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. Is it satisfying or not? Satisfying. Next, 3 and 1. Here, 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. From this one here, 3 is less than 4. The product is less than the sum of the two numbers. Understand? And in the same way here also, 4 plus 1 is 5. So here, 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Understand? Is it satisfies for that any other number ma? Just take that 2 into 3. 2, 3, 6. And here 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Okay. So here 6 is greater than 5. This is not satisfying. So if you will take that the product of any other two natural numbers except that one as the one of the number, except that one as the one of the natural number, here if you will take any other natural numbers, then always the product is greater than the sum of the given numbers. Understand ma? Always greater than that, the sum of the given numbers. But here what they are asking, only one of the number is possible for that. While you are taking that number with the product of any other natural number, here that sum is must be greater than here its product. Only when it is possible, if you take that number is multiplies with 1. Multiplies with 1. So what is that number ma here? That number must be 1. So here which option is correct? Option 1 is correct. Okay. Next, let us see here. Write the integers. What are the integers here? Minus 61, minus 36, 3, minus 3, 6, minus 6 in a descending order. So descending order means here, descending order means big to small numbers. So what is the biggest number along them here? See, minus 61, minus 36, 3, minus 3, 6 and minus 6. So the first greatest number is 6. Next greatest number is 3. Positive numbers first we have to take. No, positive numbers is always greater than negative. Positive values is always greater than negative values. Understand ma? Yes. So after completion of these two, what is that least number with a negative sign? That one become as the greatest number. Okay. So while you are taking that, the next number is minus 3, next to minus 6, next minus 36, next to minus 61. Understand? So here descending order they given now 6 is greater than 3, is greater than minus 3, greater than minus 6, greater than minus 36, is again greater than minus 61. Understand ma? So here which option is satisfying that? 6, 3, minus 3, minus 6, minus 36, minus 61. Option 3 is satisfying here. Understand? Yes. Let us see that next one. The value of 3 plus of minus 3 plus 3 plus of minus 3 plus and so on up to 305 times. Up to 305 times. I'll tell you here one example. Say that 3 plus of minus 3 which is equals to here 3 plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus. Okay, brackets means that is multiplication only, no ma? So plus into minus is minus. So plus into minus is minus. 3 minus 3 is 0. Clear? And in the same way, 3 plus of minus 3, again plus 3. Again plus 3. So and this way, in this cases here, 3 plus into minus, minus 3 plus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. So here 3. So when you observe this one here, how many times there ma? 3 times there. And here how many times there? 2 times there. 2 times means even, 3 times means odd. So odd number of times there means we are getting here 3 as the answer. Even number of times means we will get that 0 as the answer. Okay, here 305 is an odd. 5 is odd. Okay, then 3 plus of minus 3 plus 3 plus of minus 3 plus and so on. The last plus of 3 plus of minus 3 plus 3. So up to here 304 times. Clear ma? Up to here 304 times. Even number of times means plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3. So all will cancel. 0 plus 3 which is equals to 3 is the answer. Understand ma? Then here which option is correct? Option 1 is correct, that is 3. Okay? Yes. Let us see here fifth one. The sum of two integers is minus 300. Okay? The sum of two integers is minus 300. If one of them is 60, then the other number is. Okay? Let another number be some x. Okay, now one of the number is 60. 60 plus x is equal to minus 300. 60 plus x is equal to minus 300. So x is equal to minus 300 and here plus 60 become as minus 60. Okay, then here x is equal to minus 300 minus 60. While these two numbers are having that same sign, just we have to add the numbers and keep the sign what they have. Okay, so here the sign is minus and 300 plus 60. Okay, x is equal to minus 360. Understand, ma? So what are the numbers here? Example, minus 360 plus 60, which is equals to here having the two different signs. The numbers which are having two different signs, just we have to go for that subtraction. So 360 minus 60, which is equals to 300. At that cases, the largest number is having that which sign is there, that sign we have to keep here. So which is equals to minus 300. Is it satisfying, ma? Yes. So which option is satisfying? Minus 360. Am I clear to you? Yes. Children, say that question number 6, ma. What is that here? Here 7 into 13 brackets of minus 2 minus 6 of minus 2. Okay, and here brackets closed. Children, when you observe this question, here this is related to BODMAS rule. Okay, what about that BODMAS rule? See that. Before brackets, O for off. Off is nothing but here brackets, like this brackets given, that one also multiplication only, no? Okay, and in the same way off is also multiplication. And here D for division. M, multiplication. A, addition. Subtraction. Okay, this is that BODMAS rule. Okay, what about that BODMAS rule? Means first we have to simplify that. Any question related to BODMAS means first we have to simplify that brackets. Okay, first what numbers are there, what operations are there inside of that brackets. First we have to simplify that brackets. After completion of that brackets, first we have to go for that off. Okay, after that we have to simplify that division. Next division after multiplication, multiplication after addition, addition after finally subtraction. Okay, this is the order of simplifying that any simplifications. Okay, let us see here. First, what numbers are there inside of the brackets? First, we have to see that our total question, and inside of that brackets, here we have that one of the operation. What is that? 6 of minus 2. So, first we have to perform that 6 of minus 2. First, we have to simplify that. Okay, we can write this one as 7 into brackets of 13 minus brackets of minus 2 minus 6 of here 6 into minus 2. Clear, ma? Next, 7 brackets of 13 brackets open minus 2 minus 6 of here 6 into minus 2 plus into minus is minus. The product of one positive integer and one negative integer is negative. So minus 12. Clear? Next, 7 brackets of 13 brackets of minus 2 minus 6 of here minus into minus, which is equals to the product of two negative integers is that positive. So see here, ma, minus into minus is plus, and here 6 into 12. So 12 6 is 72. Clear? And see that 7 of 13 brackets of minus 2 plus 72, minus 2 plus 72, which is equals to 70. Okay, from this one 7 brackets of, next inside of the brackets what numbers are there? Those two numbers first we have to perform that. Okay, 7 brackets of 13 into 70, which is equals to 7 into 13 sevens here 91, so 910. which is equals to 7 into 910, which is equals to 700, 717, 7 9s is 63. So finally, what is that answer ma here? Answer is 6370. So which option is correct here? Option 3 satisfies that 6370. Clear? Yes. Next, 7th question. What is that? See here. Minus 1 whole power 19. Children, here minus 1 power, any even power is there, then we will get that plus 1. Okay, minus 1 power, any even value is there, any even number is there, then the resultant is plus 1. Okay, and in the same way, minus 1 power, any odd value is there, then that the value is minus 1. Why? Because I'll tell you one example, say that. Minus 1 power 3. Minus 1 power 3. See that. What is the meaning of minus 1 power 3 ma here? Minus 1 multiplied itself by how many times? 3 times. Okay. We can write this one as minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, which is equals to minus into minus, that is plus. So while you are multiplying these two numbers, 1 into 1 is again equals to 1. And minus into minus is plus. The product of two negative integers is positive only, no? So plus 1 into minus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1. Okay. Now here the product of one positive integer and one negative integer is again negative. So 1 into 1 is 1. Plus into minus is minus. So answer is minus 1. That's what I given here. Minus 1 power 3 is odd only, no? 3 is odd number only, right? So that's why here if 3 is odd, then here if the power is odd, then the value is minus 1. If the power is even, minus 1 whole square. Okay, this is even number only, no? In this cases, here minus 1 into minus 1. So see here ma, the product of two negative integers is always positive, right? So minus into minus is a plus, 1 into 1 is 1. Understand? So that's what I given here. Minus 1 power even number is there, then the value is plus 1. Understand? Yes. So see here, these are the rules. As per this one, here what is the given question? Minus 1 power 19 plus 2 square plus 3 cube. Okay, minus 1 power 19. So minus 1 power 19 means that is odd value only, no? So 19 is odd. 19 odd number only, no ma? So that's why here this is a minus 1 plus 2 square. 2 square means 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Plus, and here see that the product of two positive integers is always positive. Okay, and here this is a positive value. Positive value power is either an even number or odd number, whatever it may be, that is positive only. Okay, this is only applicable for that negative numbers. Okay, see here 3 power 3. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. Okay, plus 27. Which is equals to minus 1 plus 4 plus 27, which is equals to 31. Which is equals to 31 minus 1 is equals to 30. Understand ma? So which option is correct here? Option 3 is correct, that is 30. Am I clear? Yes. Next, 8th one, say that minus 3 power 5. Just like the previous one only, minus 3 power 5 plus minus 2 power 3. Okay, and here 5 is odd and 3 is also odd. Already we know that minus 1 power odd is there, means again we will get that minus 1 only. So by using this condition here, minus 3 power 5. So 3 power 5 means what is that value? 3 multiplied itself by 5 times. 3 3 is 9, again 9 into 3. 9 9s 81 into 3. 243. Am I clear ma? So this is a minus 243 plus of, and here minus 2 cube, which means 2 into 2, which is equals to 8. Okay, and here minus, and here 3 is odd, right? 3 and 5, those two also odd. 3 and 5, sorry. 3 and 5. Odd numbers, no? Okay, that's why here again answer is minus 8. Now minus 243 plus into minus is minus 8, which is equals to minus 251. Minus 251. Am I clear, ma? Just I'll write here the condition. Say that the product of two positive integers is always positive. Okay, the product of two negative integers is also positive. The product of one positive integer and one negative integer is negative. And in the same way, the product of negative integer and positive integer is also negative. These are the conditions. Okay, those conditions here we have to apply that. Understand, ma? So as per this one, what is that answer? Minus 251. Minus 251. Yes. Next question, say that. And this is the last question from this worksheet. What is that? Minus 2 into and so on up to 101 times is simplified. Then index form is, see here, minus 2 is repeated up to how many times, ma? Let us see here. 2 into 2 into 2. Example, so here how many times there? 3 times there. 1, 2, 3. We can write this one as 2 power 3. Okay, and in the same way, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. How many times there? 1, 2, 3. So we can write this one as minus 2 power 3. Yes or no? And in the same way here also, minus 2 is repeated up to how many times here? 101 times. So this is that index form, which means exponential form. Okay, or notation form. Understand, ma? So which option is correct here? Minus 2 power 101. Okay, option 1 is correct. That is minus 2 power 101 is that index form. Did you understand, children? So up to here worksheet 1 completed from that chapter 4. In that next video again we will meet with worksheet 1A problems. Okay, thank you all.